In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to open a Google document so that you can answer the questions for today's WebQuest with your partner. The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to start one, to title it, and to share it with a classmate. When you go to the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the Google Apps waffle, as I call it. You're going to click that and scroll to where you see Google Docs. You're going to press once, since Google is a one-click application, and you're going to click blank. When you click blank, an untitled document will come up on your screen. The first thing that you're going to do is to change the title of your document. So I'm going to title this WebQuest, and then the last name of you and your partner. At the top, you can write the same title so that I know who your partner was and so that it's easily organized. And then as you go, you can number the questions as you find your answer. In order to work on it together, though, you'll need to share the document with a classmate. You'll go up here to the top right where it says share. When you hover there, you'll see that it says it's only private to me. We want to change that, so we'll click share, and then I'll start to type in the name of the person that I want to share it with. I'll want to make sure that they are listed as the editor, not just the viewer or the commenter. And I'm going to want to give them the ability to notify or not be notified. In this case, because you're going to be working together, you don't need to notify each other. So you can click that. And then if we were doing this for real, when we work on this WebQuest, you would click share. And that way it will come up in that person's Google Drive. If I want to go and find that document in my Google Drive, I would press my Google Drive icon. And I would suggest going to the Recent tab and clicking WebQuest. Then you'll see that your new WebQuest document opens up. Again, this is how to create and share a Google Doc with your partner for the WebQuest.